Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Word VO English channel. Today, we are going to practice English with a very interesting topic, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. We will talk slowly and clearly so you can understand every word and learn new vocabulary. Let's begin. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is Apple's newest and most powerful smartphone. It is made for people who want the best design, performance, and camera. Let's explore its main features one by one. 1. Design and display. The iPhone 17 Pro Max has a beautiful titanium body. It looks premium and feels very strong in the hand. The phone is slim and light compared to the previous model. It has a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display. The screen is brighter, clearer, and smoother. You can watch movies, play games, and read text very easily on this big and sharp display. 2. Processor and performance. This iPhone runs on the A19 Pro chip. It is Apple's fastest processor ever. It makes the phone super smooth for gaming, video editing, and multitasking. Apps open quickly, and switching between them is very easy. It also saves battery life while giving high performance. 3. Battery life and charging. The battery life is much better than before. You can use the iPhone 17 Pro Max all day on a single charge. It also supports fast charging and wireless charging. With the new 45-watt charger, you can charge your phone up to 60% in just 25 minutes. 4. Camera system. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part, the camera. The iPhone 17 Pro Max has a quad camera setup. It includes a 200-megapixel main camera, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, and a LiDAR sensor. The photos look natural, bright, and detailed, even in low light. It also records 8K videos with professional quality. Selfies are sharper, and video calls look very clear. 5. Storage and connectivity. The phone comes with multiple storage options: 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, 1 terabyte, and even 2 terabytes. You can store thousands of photos, apps, and videos. It supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 6.0. So your internet and file transfer speed are super fast. 6. Security and software. The iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with iOS 19, the latest version of Apple's operating system. It has better privacy, more AI features, and a smarter Siri. Face ID is faster and works even when you wear glasses or a mask. Your personal data is always safe with Apple. 7. Eco-friendly features. Apple has made the iPhone 17 Pro Max more eco-friendly. It uses recycled materials and comes in eco-safe packaging. Apple says this phone has the smallest carbon footprint ever for an iPhone. So friends, that was the iPhone 17 Pro Max. full of amazing features and new technology. Which feature did you like the most? Tell me in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more slow English practice videos. Thanks for watching and keep learning English every day.